So you updated your flight controller to the latest Betaflight 12.0-RC2, and you have no OSD in your DJI goggles. Well, let's fix that. Assuming you selected digital in the OSD protocol drop-down menu before flashing the board. If not, you may have to go back and reflash it. Connect to controller, select Ports tab, find UART where DJI Air unit is connected to. In my case, it is UART 1. Scroll to the right, and for the same UART under Peripherals, select VTX MSP display port from the drop-down. Save and reboot. Now click on OSD tab, select elements you want to see. Once selected, they'll show up on the flight screen. You will have to move each one of them to your desired position. Keep in mind that not all of them will display in DJI goggles. The positioning picture may look quite small. To make it larger, grab the right side of the Betaflight window and drag it slightly towards the center. Once selected element is in the proper position, drag the right edge back out to select another element. Make sure to save your changes. Now let's go fly.